Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys another beautiful landing page which is made in ReactJs. Basically it's not just a landing page, but I'll be only showing you the landing page. It says arcway.io. We made it. You can check it on my Behance as well. So if I scroll down, you can see how this beautiful nav bar changes it into white color from orange. And it is basically a Web3 project which we did. And if I scroll down, you can see layer 1 blockchain design. Basically, the design was made by us in Figma, and later on we developed it in ReactJs. So basically, the design and the development, both of us, is done by us. So if I scroll, you can see if I click here, you can see how it changes. So basically, if I scroll down, it's ready to build. It says it is a small section. Now this is another section. If I scroll down, experience the multi-chain. If I scroll down, you can see how good it looks like and how minimalistic it is. Also, if I click on this, you can see another like a small chat box where you can write your name and write what's your email so that you can get updates from the arcway.io. And if I click on the start building, you can see, so you can scroll down to this option. So basically, if you want us to make any of your website or web development projects, you can contact us on our basically WhatsApp and we will start from there. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video.